In order to not torture yourself with strict diets, modern nutritionists recommend eating healthy food and exercising. Experts have also created tables and lists of products based on their nutritional properties. We all know that white bread, fried food, sweets, and soda are banned, but there are actually more products that should go on the list of prohibited foods. Healthy Hacks was surprised by the fact that some of these products can really be harmful. And the most unexpected one is in the bonus. 7. Sauces. Have you ever noticed how different homemade tomato paste is compared to store-bought ketchup? Mayonnaise, tartar, mustard, and other sauces aren't an exception to the rule. The thing is, all purchased sauces contain sugar. Nutritionists explain, it's cheaper to add sugar instead of natural tomatoes to enrich the taste. It's recommended to choose olive or linseed oil or grind the tomatoes yourself and add spices. 6. Dried fruit and fruit chips. Fruit chips have become more and more popular among healthy diet followers, but most manufacturers use the same method to produce these chips as they do to produce potato chips. They make them by frying them in oil. Thus, vegetable or fruit chips contain as many calories as potato chips. These chips usually look and taste nice thanks to the chemical processing they go through before drying. What's more, this process extends the shelf life of the product by almost 3 times. Unfortunately, after processing, these fruits and veggies aren't useful or healthy at all. Before buying dried fruit, pay attention to their bright color, unnatural luster, softness, or odor. These are the features of processing. If fruits are dried, they won't be bright or soft. 5. Grapes. It may sound strange, but grapes aren't that healthy. It's their sweetness that makes us eat a whole bunch at a time, which causes our body to receive too much sugar at once. Nutritionists say we should mix grapes with other products wisely. We shouldn't eat them together with greasy dishes, fish, fresh cucumbers, melons, beer, or milk. 4. Wrongly cooked fish. Fish is almost free of any harmful fats, and contains useful fats like omega-3 fatty acids. Scientists at the University of Hawaii have studied the chemical structure of the most popular fish dishes and concluded that boiling or baking fish saves the biggest amount of useful substances. American cardiologists claim that fried, smoked, and salty fish are really harmful. 3. Corn. After many different examinations, scientists have concluded that modified corn affects terrestrial and aquatic organisms. They have even noticed that the pollen from modified corn contains a harmful poison. In many countries, this type of corn is even banned. It's not recommended to eat canned corn or any other canned product. It's better to boil or bake it to ensure that you save its useful elements. 2. Nut milk. Almond, coconut, or Brazil nut milk contains additional sugar and aromatizers and, of course, additional calories. So get acquainted with all the ingredients before buying a product. It might be even better to buy your nut milk at organic shops. 1. Rice cakes. Rice cakes are included in many diets since they contain almost no fat. Several years ago, popular magazines even recommended replacing bread with rice cakes. Unfortunately, a rice cake has a high glycemic index, so you feel hungry really soon after eating them. As a result, you could be eating more calories than you should and gaining extra weight. Bonus: eating too much avocado is also harmful today. Stores offer a variety of avocados, and nutritionists claim that they're really healthy. But we have to mention that they do contain a lot of calories. 3.5 ounces of avocado contains 245 calories. So it's not recommended to overindulge in them. Remember that only a raw avocado saves all its useful elements. After thermal processing, it's less useful. Eating too much avocado might also reduce the effect of anti-inflammatory drugs and reduce red blood cell levels. Do you eat any of these products? Are you ready to reduce their amount in your diet?